employees training and awareness programs for cybersecurity. In today's cybersecurity is more crucial than ever for financial institutions. With the ability to access banking, loans, and investments online in this video, we will explore the importance of employee training and awareness programs for cybersecurity. Financial institutions must ensure that all employees receive regular training on cybersecurity best practices and are aware of the potential threats they may encounter. This includes teaching employees to recognize phishing scams, secure password management, and the proper handling and storage of sensitive data. It is also important to ensure that all employees are aware of their responsibilities when it comes to cybersecurity. This includes knowing the protocols for reporting suspicious activity, understanding the consequences of non-compliance, and following company policies regarding cybersecurity. Thank you for watching.